Good day, I'm Samuel by name. I will be showing you how to design a one-page website. Yeah, but before we start, I would like to show you to let you know what one-page website is all about. A one-page website serves to narrow down customers' choice, keeping them focused on a specific service, product, or pieces of content you need. If so, in this program, I will show you how you can properly structured and professionally design a one-page website so that it can result to high conversion rate compared to multiple page websites. So in this program, you are going to learn a lot of things. A step-by-step guide on how to can design a page like this using Thrive Architect and Elementor so that you can actually choose your choice of design. Which one should I use? Which one can I use? So it's so easy. I've been designing for a long period of time and I know how to use these two software very well. I mean Thrive Architect and Elementor. This is Thrive Architect page builder website. As you can see, it's a page builder that is simply used by majority of people designing a website, and the outcome is always amazing. In this program, you are going to learn how to easily navigate through this Thrive Architect and how you can easily navigate through Elementor page builder. So easy. I didn't go to any coding school. I didn't go to any tutorial school, and I know how to design something like this. I started the way you are able to start now. I started as a learner. I started as a novice. I'm not a computer science student. I studied architecture when I was in school. So, but during my own period of time, I started learning how to do one or two things with a website. And here, I'm going to show you all the party and show you an easiest way that you can also design something like this, a page like this, where you show people what you got to do, what you have for them, and where they can take action. They can take action and link your button to WhatsApp. This is another page builder using a Thrive Architect, and I can actually show you using an Elementor. See you on the other side. And one of the bonus that you are going to benefit from this product, from this service, is I am going to add you to a WhatsApp, private WhatsApp, whereby I will be continually showing you step by step how you can improve your design. As you are about to start as a novice, or maybe someone that doesn't know anything about computer, someone that doesn't know anything about web design, I will show you a guided process on how you can continue to design an advanced web page, advanced sales funnel, advanced website. I will show you. And majorly, I am going to give you a full support in anything that you need to be done. I'm going to give you this software for free. And also, I'm going to show you step by step on how to design, and this program will surely be an help to you, and it will guide you on how you can move from novice to an expert. I'm going to put you through. You have a lot of bonuses that is awaiting you. You have a lot of bonuses that I will be giving you. I'm going to give you all these tools that we are going to use for free, and also a private WhatsApp whereby I will be updating you from a beginner to advanced level. You will sure not want to miss this opportunity. It's golden because you are going to achieve a lot with a little amount, and within less than 1 hour you will be able to design something like this. By consistency, you will be able to advance yourself on it. See you on the other side. Stay blessed.